Finding the perfect bed frame shouldn't break the bank. Whether you're moving into your first apartment, upgrading your bedroom, or just need something reliable that won't creak all night, I've tested and researched the best budget bed frames available on Amazon right now. Remember to check all product links in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Steel Bed Frame, the ultimate budget champion, starting at just $53. This no-frills option proves you don't have to spend hundreds to get a sturdy, reliable place to sleep. It's perfect for anyone looking for a quick, affordable solution without compromising basic durability. One of its standout features is the tool-free assembly. Seriously, you can have this fully set up in under 20 minutes without even picking up a screwdriver or wrench. The durable steel construction supports up to 350 pounds, making it suitable for most sleepers, whether solo or sharing. The 14-inch clearance provides generous underbed storage space, perfect for sliding in boxes, seasonal clothing, or luggage. The frame works with any mattress type, memory foam, hybrid, or traditional spring mattresses, so there's no need for special adjustments. Plus, it's backed by Amazon's responsive customer service, making returns or exchanges quick and painless. That makes it ideal for college dorms, guest rooms, or anyone needing a frame immediately. Now the downside? It's plain. No headboard, no decorative flair, just a basic steel frame. If aesthetics matter to you, you might want to pair it with a separate headboard or bed skirt. The metal can also make a faint squeak if you toss and turn a lot, though most users say it's barely noticeable. For the price, you're getting exceptional value, reliable support, fast prime shipping, and zero hassle. It's a no-nonsense bed frame that simply gets the job done. At number 4, the Nectar Bed Frame with Headboard blends style, comfort, and practicality in a way that feels far more expensive than its price tag suggests. This upholstered frame has a way of instantly upgrading any bedroom, turning it from plain and functional into something that feels like it belongs in a boutique hotel. The standout feature is definitely the tufted headboard. It's not just decorative, it's genuinely comfortable for reading or watching TV in bed. The neutral color options work with practically any decor style, and the fabric feels surprisingly premium for a budget frame. Assembly takes about an hour, but the instructions are clear and all hardware is included. This frame supports up to 500 pounds and works perfectly with memory foam, latex, or hybrid mattresses. The platform design eliminates the need for a box spring, saving you additional money. The low-profile design makes rooms feel more spacious while still providing that finished adult bedroom look. Another standout is how quiet this frame is. Even with shifting or movement, it stays impressively squeak-free, a huge win for light sleepers. The reinforced joints and sturdy hardware give it a build quality you'd expect from frames twice the price. The only real trade-off is the fabric headboard's susceptibility to wear over time, especially in high-contact areas. Light upholstery may need occasional spot cleaning, though the material holds up well with minimal maintenance. Taking the third spot is the Zinus Rumi 14-inch queen metal bed frame, a model that's not only a customer favorite, but has also been endorsed by major publications like the New York Times and Consumer Reports. When experts consistently recommend something, you know it's doing a lot right. The steel construction here is rock solid, supporting up to 400 pounds without bending, flexing, or wobbling. At 14 inches high, it provides exceptional underbed storage space, enough for large bins, seasonal clothing, extra bedding, or even bulky luggage. One of the standout features is its noise-free design. Thanks to precision-welded joints and a thoughtful build, the frame remains completely silent, even for restless sleepers who toss and turn. Assembly is straightforward with clear instructions and labeled parts. Most people complete setup in 45 minutes or less. The frame works with all mattress types and includes foam padding on the metal slats to protect your mattress and prevent sliding. The minimalist design works in any bedroom style, from modern to traditional. Customer reviews consistently highlight the frame's impressive durability. Many users report years of trouble-free use, with the steel treated to resist rust and the sleek black finish maintaining its fresh look through regular cleaning. A couple of things to keep in mind. The frame is relatively heavy compared to some alternatives, so it might be less convenient if you move frequently. Also, while assembly is simple, Having two people helps when handling the larger pieces for safety and ease. Our runner-up is the Zinus Allenwood Platform Bed Frame, a favorite with over 1,700 glowing customer reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. This frame shows that affordability doesn't have to come at the expense of style, durability, or comfort. The wood construction gives your bedroom a warm, natural feel that metal frames simply can't match. The platform design provides excellent mattress support while eliminating the need for a box spring. The slatted base promotes airflow, keeping your mattress fresh and extending its lifespan significantly. One of the standout features is how easy it is to assemble. Zinus has clearly refined the process, providing simple instructions and including all necessary tools. Most users find they can complete the assembly solo in under an hour, thanks to well-labeled parts and intuitive design. The frame supports up to 350 pounds and works seamlessly with memory foam, latex, or hybrid mattresses. The low-profile design makes rooms feel larger while still providing a substantial, quality appearance. The wood finish resists scratches and maintains its appearance even with daily use. Multiple size options ensure perfect fit for any bedroom space. The height might be challenging for some users, especially older adults or anyone with mobility issues. At just 7 inches high, getting in and out requires more effort than traditional frames. Also, the wood surface can show dust more easily than metal alternatives. Taking our top spot is the brand new Nectar Bamboo Platform Bed Frame, the latest innovation in budget-friendly bedding that's already earning rave reviews in 2025. This frame stands out by seamlessly combining sustainability, style, and exceptional functionality in one sleek package. The bamboo construction isn't just environmentally friendly, it's incredibly strong and naturally antimicrobial. The Zero Creak design means completely silent sleep, even for restless sleepers or couples with different sleep schedules. Customer reviews consistently highlight how quiet this frame remains over time. What makes this frame exceptional is the attention to detail. The modern aesthetic works in any bedroom style, from minimalist to contemporary. The platform design provides optimal mattress support while promoting airflow. Assembly is surprisingly simple with pre-drilled holes and clear instructions that most people complete in 30 minutes. Supporting up to 450 pounds, this frame works perfectly with any mattress type: memory foam, latex, hybrid, or spring. Bamboo's natural temperature regulation also helps maintain a comfortable sleeping environment all year round. Multiple finish options ensure you can match your existing bedroom furniture effortlessly. A couple of considerations. Bamboo requires slightly more care than metal frames. Avoid excessive moisture and dust regularly to keep it looking pristine. Also, as a new product, long-term durability reviews aren't available yet, though early feedback is overwhelmingly positive. These 5 bed frames prove that you don't have to break the bank to get reliable, comfortable sleep support. Whether you're after quick and easy assembly, stylish design, or eco-friendly materials, there's a budget-friendly option tailored just for you. Each frame offers great value without sacrificing quality. Sweet dreams await.